After your I-130 application get approved, it will be forwarded to Department of State for NVC stage process. They will gonna send you your login, and then you have to pay for the fees, and both the petitioner and beneficiary need to upload the following documents in order the application get documentary qualified or DQ.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Root Online Vlog. For today's video, I would like to share my experience on how to navigate the NVC stage process for spousal visa. I did my spousal visa back in 2022 by myself. Like I do it by myself. I did not hire or use any immigration lawyer, and I was approved without any RFE or any problem. So for this video, I would like to share on how to navigate the NVC process step by steps, like how to log in on the NVC website, how to upload those documents like the financial statements from the petitioner, those several documents from the beneficiary, and what are those requirements that you have to prepare in order your application will get documentary qualified. So I hope it will help you all this video, and you will navigate successfully your spousal visa process. So please subscribe, like, and share this video, and click the notification bell button if you would like to notify for more videos like this. So let's begin.
Once your I-130 petition is approved by USCIS, it gets sent to the Department of State National Visa Center or NVC. Both the petitioner and beneficiary will receive an email from them with a case number and an invoice ID number, where you can use whenever you log into CEAC website. This means you're ready to begin the NVC stage. Here's the example of the NVC Welcome Letter that you will receive to your email after a few days. The I-130 got approved. Important tips that you have to remember: save this email. You'll use the case number and invoice ID to log in, so you don't want to lose it. So next is you have to log in to CEAC website. You may go to https://ceac.state.gov/iv, or just click the link on the email. Once you're on the CEAC website, click continue. Then you will route it on this page. Just check the box, then enter the case number. Click continue. Enter invoice ID. Select applicant or petitioner, whoever is logging in. Enter or type the characters shown in the box and submit. So once you're in, you will see this page, and you will see the 3 important steps you have to follow. Step 1 is pay the fees, which the first thing you need to do after receiving your NVC Welcome Letter. Step 2 is complete the immigrant visa or IV application, which the form DS-260. This is for the beneficiary. And the third steps, upload or submit required financial and civil documents, both the petitioner and beneficiary. You'll complete them mostly in order. Also, you may refer here below for further instructions. So next is how to make payments. So in order to begin, you may need to make payment first. So when you make payment, click on the Pay Now button under the Affidavit of Support Fee and Immigrant Visa. So let's say we are going to pay Affidavit of Support, which is $120. So just click Pay Now. Then you will route it on this page. Click the select box of each fee to be paid, which is the Affidavit of Support Fee. Remember that you have to make payments individually because the online system will ask you to pay them one at a time. If we try to pay them both, just example, this note will show up, so select one at a time, then click pay selected fees. Then it will ask you to enter your billing and payment informations. And by the way, only online payment via US bank account is accepted. Either it's US checking account or US savings account. If you need help finding your routing number, account number, and the check number, this image below shown the instructions. Then finally, once you completed all necessary information, check the box for authorization and disclosure. Then click make payment. Same you do for the other payment, which is the immigration visa fee. It is $325. After submitting your payments online, please allow up to 1 week for NVC to process your fees for continuing to the next step. You can go here and you will see the status of your payment. Once both fee status change to paid, more section will open, the DS-260 and documents upload. So let's say finally your payment status now is paid. You will see on your CEAC account like this. That means everything are now ready. You can now fill out the DS-260 form. This is the immigrant visa application for the beneficiary. You have to enter all the necessary information. Make sure it's correct. I will make separate video of this one on how to fill out the DS-260. It's not that hard anyway. Then let's say you already completed, save the confirmation page like this with barcode on it. You can request to send it to your email address or take a screenshot, as you'll need it on your future visa interview at the US Embassy. So next is, I will guide you on how to upload the documents. So after paying and submitting the DS-260, it's time to upload the required documents. And yay, you're finally close. You'll see this under the civil documents and affidavit of support sections. Click start now, each section. Example for petitioner, click start now. Choose the document type, let's say the I-864 form. Click this square with arrow, then select upload documents. Select the documents type by clicking the drop down arrow and select what type of documents you want to upload. Next is choose the file from your device and click upload. And if you want to upload other additional AOS supporting documents of petitioner, click this add a documents here. Then click the drop down arrow under the documents type and select what types of documents you want to upload. Let's say petitioner proof of US citizenship. Choose the file from your device and click upload. Repeat until you completed all the financial and civil documents you want to upload. You do the same with the beneficiary. Make sure to hit submit documents, otherwise the NVC won't receive and review it. You must see the status change from uploaded to submitted. So tips, all documents must be scanned clearly, maximum of 4 MB file size, and uploaded in PDF or JPEG format only. So here's the list for both petitioner and beneficiary required documents that you need to upload. So for the petitioner, which is the US citizen, form I-864 or affidavit of support. I used I-864 easy. a simplified form of I-864 because my husband, which is the petitioner, is the only sponsor. He is using only one income and only one beneficiary, which is me, and it get accepted without any problem. But if the petitioner has combined income with someone else in the same household or have joint sponsor in the same household member needs to submit I-864A. I know this is confusing, but I'll make a separate video for this one to explain better and clarification. You may download the I-864 form here to fill out, and if you want to know different type of I-864, you may click the instructions here and read it. Another document that needed are proof of U.S. citizenship like passport, birth certificate, then the IRS tax transcript, the W-2 if employed, the federal income tax return, most recent year or past 3 years. Mine is submitted the past 3 years just to make sure. It's better, I think, to avoid tagging your documents incomplete. You can upload pay stub, employer letter, optional but helpful, a house lease to prove U.S. domicile of the petitioner. Again, it's optional, but it is helpful. For the beneficiary or the foreign spouse, passport biographic page, birth certificate with English translation if needed, marriage certificate, police clearance from all countries, live in for 6+ months, NVI clearance if you are from the Philippines, 2x2 photo like passport size digital copy, advisory of marriage or AOM from PSA, which is from the Philippines beneficiary. Once all documents are uploaded, just review everything carefully and make sure to hit submit and check the status change from uploaded to submitted and finally accepted. So that's it. Once everything is uploaded, the NVC will begin to review your case. This can take a few weeks to a month depending on their workload. During my process, it took 2 weeks. So watch out for messages in your CEAC inbox. You'll get either documentary qualified, congrats, it means all your documents uploaded was accepted, or a checklist or rejection if something is missing or incorrect. If you get a checklist, don't panic. Just re-upload the corrected document and wait again. You'll also receive email notification, both the petitioner and beneficiary, to check your CEAC account once they reviewed your documents. It may seem overwhelming, I know, but trust me, if we can do it, you can too. The next process will be the interview, and you will be done with the entire process. So good luck, guys, and congratulations. And that's it, guys. That's how we handle the NVC stage completely by ourselves. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, share it to help others, and subscribe for more helpful videos about the US visa process. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section. I'll try to reply to everyone. Goodbye, guys, and see you on my next video tutorial. Bye!